Want to create realistic AI voiceovers in minutes? In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you exactly how to use ElevenLabs step by step. Go to the ElevenLabs website and create a free account using your email or Google account. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard. This is where you can generate voiceovers, manage voices, and access tools. Click on Text to Speech. This is the main feature where you turn text into realistic audio. Select a voice from the library. You can choose different tones, accents, and styles. Type or paste your script into the text box. Keep it clear and natural for the best results. You can adjust stability, clarity, and style to customize how the voice sounds. Click Generate, and ElevenLabs will create your voiceover instantly. Once you're happy with the result, download the audio file and use it in your videos or projects. Today I'm going to show your own voice by uploading a sample. This creates a personalized AI voice. Save and organize your audio files for easy access later. Use your AI voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, tutorials, or social media content. So yeah, that's how to use ElevenLabs AI. It's fast, simple, and perfect for creating high-quality voiceovers without recording your own voice.